are doing an experiment, which is the egg in a bottle experiment. So this experiment is all about the air pressure. So we have three objectives in this experiment that we need to determine, observe, and answer. So first objective is that we need to get the egg into the bottle without harming the egg, and to see the effects of high pressure and the low pressure, and to develop a sense of curiosity that leads to develop observation skills. So in this experiment, we have here the materials that we need to use in this experiment. So first is the bottle with an opening narrower than the size of the egg. So here. And then matchsticks, then egg, boiled egg, and a strip of paper. So first, we need to peel the boiled egg carefully. So let's peel off.
Ano ba itong biyahe mo? Itong gamit sa ulo. Wala naman ito po ano, si Kansin. Siguro dahil. Hindi mo naman dumog.
Wala sa tayo. Sikadi ko na. So done. We are now done peeling the egg. So next is that position the egg near the empty bottle. This is needed because you have to move fast once it is time to place the egg in the bottle. Then we need water here so that the egg will slightly moisten the inside of the bottle with water to help the glide in. So we need to put here a little bit of water. So let's take a strip of thick paper. This paper is important because you need something that won't burn too quickly when you light it on fire during the next step. So let's get a piece of paper. So next is light the piece of paper and drop it into the bottle. So once the paper is burning, carefully but quickly drop it into the glass bottle. So immediately after you put the paper in the bottle, place the egg on the bottle Then watch as the egg begins to slow move into the bottle. As you can see a while ago, the egg is into the bottle. So now as you can see, the egg is inside the bottle. So normally, when you place the egg on the top of the bottle, it won't fit through the bottle's opening because the egg's diameter is larger than the opening of the bottle. Since the pressure of inside and outside of the bottle are the same, the only force that pushes the eggs into the bottle is the gravity. So the gravity isn't strong enough. Our bottle is full of air molecules when we drop the flaming piece of paper into the bottle and seal with the opening of the egg. The flaming paper heat up the air molecules inside the bottle. When the gas-like air is heated, the molecules move faster and try to spread the further parts. But because the air is trapped inside the bottle, the volume of space that can take up is limited. So once the air has filled the volume of the bottle and cannot spread further part, the air molecules start to press against the walls of the bottle. And since the wall won't move, the air pressure inside the bottle increases rapidly. As the pressure and temperature of the air inside the bottle increases, same as the oxygen molecules are used in combustion, creating the products carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Once the pressure inside the bottle is strong enough, it will cause the egg to jump up and down and allow the air to rush out into the environment. Both of three processes reduce the amount of air inside the bottle, but because the air is extremely hot, its volume still fills the bottle and high pressure remains once the maturity of the air molecules have escaped the bottle or used in combustion. The flame the paper will distinguish. Once it happens, the air inside the bottle will begin to cool. Using the volume and pressure, but because we have far less air molecules inside the bottle, when we started, the pressure inside exerts on the egg is strong enough to gently push the egg through the small opening into the bottle. Once the egg is on the bottle, the seal preventing the bottle drops much lower than we start at our experiment, because the pressure outside our bottle is higher inside the bottle. The force of the outside exerts on the egg is strong enough to gently push the egg through the small opening into the bottle. Once the egg is on the bottle, the seal preventing air from entering the bottle is gone, and air rushes in, bouncing the pressure inside and outside of the bottle. That's why the egg is going through inside of the bottle. So that's all for today, guys. I am Abigail Batulan, and I hope you are satisfied enough to our experiment today, the egg in a bottle. So thank you guys for watching.